Welcome everyone. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. Today we're going to be working with this dress form that I found at one of the thrift stores. My crafting idea for today is to decorate the dress form for Halloween. So let's begin. Some of the supplies I'm using today is this Halloween ribbon. It has jack-o'-lanterns on it. I'm going to use this orange glitter ribbon. I have this black tulle. It has a bit of sparkle in there. We're going to use a piece of muslin. We also are going to use some Halloween jewelry. Embellishments if you want embellishments. You're going to need scissors. And your trusty glue gun with lots of glue sticks. The first thing you want to do is cut out your fabric. I want to cut an underlying fabric so it's a lot easier to adhere my ribbons to the dress form. So once I've determined the length of the gown you want, go ahead and put a slit on the length here. Once you've done that, go ahead and measure all the way around the dress form. Again, you can mark it with a marker or you can just use your fingers there. Once you do that, add 5/8 of an inch to the waist. Hold that and we can cut that. Okay, so this is the width of the waist I want. So I want to just go ahead and fold the cut piece to where my finger is and just fold the fabric out so you have something that looks like this. It's a bell shape. Once you determine that, go ahead and just trim up the side and cut away across. Go ahead and wrap the fabric around the waist. Just make sure you have your, if you're looking for the bell shape, make sure you have the bell shape on the bottom. Okay, so that's what mine looks like now. Okay, once you've tacked the waist, go ahead and shape the skirt the way you want it. Once you've done that, go ahead and tack it on the, go ahead and tack the bottom one more time with the glue gun. Or put a bit of glue there and just press. Okay, so once you tack the top and the bottom of the skirt, go ahead and fold it back. It gives you kind of a line where to tack your next glue. Go about halfway down. Tack one more time there. Once you've done that, go ahead and trim off the excess material. Just trim off some of the excess there. I have trimmed everything down now. So now I am going to add the jack-o'-lantern ribbon. Once you determine the length of the skirt you want, I just cut off. I went around back down once on the fold, and then I'm going to go ahead and just measure that out. So mine is 28 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the rest of my ribbon to 28 inches long. Once you have your ribbon all cut, go ahead and start gluing on your ribbon. Just fold it, pinch right there, put a dab of glue on the skirt right there, and press. And to do that all the way around your skirt. So I'm going to work on the waist. I'm just going to put the orange ribbon all the way around and then just pull it really tight to get all that gathered ribbon. Try to flatten that out a little bit. Takes a little bit of time here. Just pull the ribbon really tight. Hold it. Put some glue on there. Hold it down to make sure the glue holds before you let go, or it will unravel. Once the glue sets, go ahead and trim the ribbon down. I want to put the black tulle on next. And you put the tulle right over the orange ribbon there, so it'll look like this. But I want to make it long so I can put a bow back here. So let me see how much I will need. I'm gonna put a bow. Put quite a length there. And I'm just going to put a knot on the back side here. Gather it and pull tight, and then put another knot in there. That'll hold the tulle in place. There we go. Once we do that, we can put our bow in and adjust the bow to the size we want to. Go ahead and tighten the bow. down, make adjustments. It looks good. You have your bow set to the way you want. Go ahead and trim your tool down. I think I'm going to go ahead and make it the same length as the skirt here. I'm just going to cut straight across here. There we go. Now turn it back around. And that's what it looks like so far. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the jewelry on. Go ahead and add on your embellishments. You're going to put it there. Let me glue it down. Here is our dress form, all dressed up for Halloween. Cute, huh? Another I have created for the fall season.